out. Me too.
Mom, start it up so the camera can have what it sounds like.
Thank you.
So what do you think was happening? Why he wouldn't send you to school?
Well, she left the door open, so I was like, what the heck? And then he was like, you have to go to school. Yeah, but family's more important than
Yeah, let's see your license.
it's in advance because I jumped out.
Okay, let's get a picture of you with the,
You want to open the door so
yeah.
And I don't think the video came out.
Can I stop? Mom, I got it.
Okay, good.
Can I stop it?